Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick separator properly. This handy tool has two distinct ends, each designed for a specific task. One end features a thin, flat wedge, perfect for separating those tightly connected flat bricks and plates. The other end is shaped to easily remove individual studs or small, stubborn elements. Knowing these parts is the first step to mastering your brick separator. To separate flat bricks or plates, simply slide the thin wedge end of your separator into the tiny gap between the two pieces. Once it's firmly in place, apply a gentle, steady upward pressure. You'll hear a satisfying click as the bricks come apart. This technique is incredibly effective for disassembling large, flat constructions without straining your fingers. For those tiny, one-by-one bricks, tiles, or single studs, the other end of the separator is your best friend. Position the stud remover end directly over the element you wish to remove. Then, gently press down and leverage the separator to lift the piece away. This prevents damage to your fingernails and ensures even the smallest parts are easily detached. For optimal results, always work on a flat, stable surface. This provides better leverage and control. Remember to use gentle, consistent pressure rather than brute force, which could damage your bricks or the separator itself. With a little practice, you'll quickly learn the best angles and techniques for even the most stubborn connections, making brick separation a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.